confident and nervous, but everything is well with me right now.
You won so many special awards tonight, diba? Congratulations!
Thank you, but then it wouldn't be possible without you guys.
Of course. So moving on, here is your question, Miss Guatemala. Your question is number 2. Okay. Your question came from Earl Bracamonte. Cite the ways how Fahrenheit intensified the degree of your lifestyle. I will repeat. Cite the ways how Fahrenheit intensified the degree of your lifestyle.
I would cite an evident example for this question, which is this competition, this pageant, Miss F Universe. In this pageant, we created camaraderie, friendship, and bondness. And with that, I think the lifestyle that I have right now would be evidently important not only to myself, but also to you guys.
Very well said. Thank you so much, Miss Guatemala. Let me call in our second finalist, Miss Russia. Miss Russia, please pick a number. Okay. Before we show your question, how are you feeling right now?
Well, I still feel conscious right now, but it's so obvious what happened to me a while ago. It's so uncommon.
But you know what? It's okay. You were very gorgeous and you were able to pull it off very well.
Thank you so much for that.
Has anyone ever told you that you look like a very good friend of mine, Lara Kigaman?
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Okay. So she picked question number 7. Your question came from Joselito Lanip. And your question is, what is the hardest thing to do when ending a relationship? I repeat, what is the hardest thing to do when ending a relationship?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The hardest thing in ending a relationship is letting go and missing someone. That is because it's really hard to end a relationship, but it's very harmonious and very memorable to us because we do not only share our life to that person, we share our world, our everything. Because in relationships, we tend to learn our individuality, our personality, our attitude to become a better person. And a better person a better person with substance rather. However, I always believe that you have to move on and go on for your life. Because whatever happens, positive or negative, good or bad, right or wrong, you should embrace everything. Because everything is part of our life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Russia. Now let's welcome our next finalist, Miss Philippines. Miss Philippines, please pick a number. Congratulations on making it to the top 8.
Thank you very much.
How are you feeling right now, Miss Philippines?
It's some mixed emotions. I'm a bit excited, happy, and I'm looking forward of whatever the result may be.
Of course. Okay, so you picked question number 5. Your question comes from Ready Boy Panoy, and your question is, how can Miss F Universe pageant affect the lives of both contestants and audience? Again, how can Miss F Universe pageant affect the lives of both contestants and audience?
Thank you very much for this question. The Miss F Universe pageant affects the lives of the audience and the contestant
through means of entertainment. We're having these pageants as a means of entertainment so that we can give happiness even though we Filipinos are experiencing crisis in our country today. Then, with this entertainment, we give happiness. And that happiness is something that is not being pinpointed at any time. So with this happiness that I can give you, rest assured that Miss F Universe will give you a great pageant and a competitive way in promoting Fahrenheit. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Miss Philippines. So why don't we ask the audience, are you happy? Very good. So let's call in our next finalist, semi-finalist rather, Miss Brazil. Please pick a number, Miss Brazil. Thank you. How are you feeling? Congratulations on making it to the top 8.
Thank you. A bit nervous, but more excited for the result.
Of course. Okay, so here is your question. Your question is question number 4. Your question comes from Roel Cruz. And your question is, one of the judges tonight will ask you this question. What letter in the alphabet best describes a gay person? What will be your answer? So once again, what letter in the alphabet will best describe a gay person?
For me, the letter that describes gay is letter E. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that we gays are exceptional individuals. In the sense that what men can do, we gays can do. What women can do, we can do much better. And I always even though we gays are criticized by the humanity, we still believe in God. God will bring us good music out of a broken chord. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Brazil. Next up is Miss Mexico. How are you feeling right now? Congratulations.
Well, I'm very happy I've won the top 8.
Of course. Okay, so please pick a number. And your question is question number 6. Okay, your question is, we love licking ice cream on cone. If you will be a flavor of ice cream on a cone, what flavor will it be and who do you think will lick you? Your question comes from Randy Santa Ana. I repeat, we love licking ice creams on a cone. If you will be a flavor of ice cream, what flavor will it be and who do you think will lick you?
Well, ever since I'm a kid, I'm always fond of eating ice cream. And one of my favorite flavors is strawberry. And I believe this strawberry is very sweet, and I describe myself as also a sweet person. And if there's one person who's gonna lick me, well, that person would be the person who will love me and be with me for the rest of my life. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, Miss Mexico. Next up, Miss Cyprus. Congratulations, Miss Cyprus. Ang dami-dami mo namang fans.
Let me just say this out loud. You know what? People say that you can have the best of both worlds. But if you have fans like them, you don't need any of those versions. My friends really make me feel like a true winner. Thank you, guys.
And it's no wonder that they love you very much. Please pick a number, Cyprus. And you picked question number 9. This is your question, Miss Cyprus. Which one of the 5 senses, sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell, are you willing to give up, but in no